Hello and welcome to Fundamental Calculus and Discrete Math. I'm Mr. Good. Thought you'd see my face, although I'll be more clean shaven next time. I want to give you a tour in my room and show you what you need to do so you know where all the information for our class is. First of all, behind me over here is my only window in this room. It doesn't really have windows, so I made my own. There's a beautiful summary scene there. So yeah, this is the back of the room. If we kind of turn you around here, over in this corner is our 3D printers. So if you ever need to print anything, I guess we can. We got our game here, game of hooky. I'm pretty darn good at it, so I will take on any challengers. And if you ever want to learn to program on your own, I got an Arduino in there. So we got that. Got our nice little lighting here. Here's an overall view of the room. Got the desks spread out this year. And, you know, to keep separate, keep safe. Then over here we got our cleaners and stuff. And then in this drawer, a lot of people like this drawer, we got, you know, Rubik's Cubes and all sorts of puzzles and stuff. Fidget toys. Here's my wall of champions with my former students. Here's a picture of my family. There's my wife and children, and my little underbite dog. And then, you know, we kind of got this going on. The back of the room has tools and robotics stuff. There's cabinets, more robotics things. And then here's, you know, a great spot here. This is my little cafe I made. Got a table. That's a really funny joke if you know binary number system. If not, it just seems crazy. And this I'd like to introduce you to. This is Sammy, the salmon, who's sitting at my cafe waiting for someone to eat with them or drink. And here we have our little coffee and tea station. There's our new hand sanitizer thing. Alright, so this is room 109. I got 2 doors. And yeah, so other than that, let me take you into the classroom part. So here we got, if you use the Google Classroom code, which is this, it's also in the email, you'll be taken to this screen. And the most important thing you can ever know is the very top of my stream for my class are the lesson plans. We have these other videos and stuff, but the lesson plans is pretty much your one-stop shop. So if you go here for Calc and Discrete, this has everything you need. Like at the top, you got a link to Google Classroom, although you probably got there from here. We got intro video. I put blank copies of the worksheets. I'll hand them to you when you're in class, but if you're ever absent or you wanted a blank one, I put the PDFs on here. I put videos of notes. It has everything. My office hour link to our Google Meet on Wednesdays, review answer keys, stuff like that. So everything is on here. And you should be able to click to the links, and you also know what we're doing. So if you're virtual, if you're on group B, I won't see you until Thursday. But here's what's going on. You got watch the video. I'll have my classroom procedures up. Make sure you can log into Classroom. Read through the class info page. I'll also link it here. Show up to office hours on Wednesday, and then I'll see you on Thursday. So not a lot of classwork until we get into school on Thursday. And then my other group, we're kind of cruising ahead, and then they'll catch back up. So, all right, so that's our game plan. Once again, most important thing is the lesson plans because it has links to everything. You should also click on the classwork page, and you can see there's parent function review slides. That's what our bells sound like, which you probably already know. All right. Well, I look forward to seeing you, and I will talk to you later. Send me an email if you have any questions. All right. Later.